The Predictive Forward Collision Warning, or PFCW, and Forward Emergency Braking, or FEB systems use a radar sensor located behind the front bumper to help alert the driver when there is a potential risk of a forward collision. When this occurs, a warning tone sounds and the vehicle ahead detection indicator light illuminates. If the FEB system is active, upward pressure is applied to the accelerator pedal and braking is applied. If the driver fails to act, additional audible and visual warnings are provided and the system applies harder braking. To turn the FEB and PFCW systems on or off, press the setting button on the control panel. Select the driver assistance key. Select the forward emergency braking key to toggle the system on or off. These systems operate at speeds above approximately 5 km per hour. The PFCW system is integrated into the FEB system. There is not a separate selection in the center display for the PFCW system. When the FEB is turned off, the PFCW system is also turned off. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating information.